Hey self-publisher, so today I wanted to talk about where you can find your keywords from, and let's just get straight into it. I'm going to give you 3 ways to get it, okay? And 2 are using free Chrome extensions, and one of them is straight on Amazon homepage, which is the search bar. So you always start with the search bar, just start typing in, and then you'll see Amazon give you suggestions. Okay, now the other 2 are extensions. Let me just bring up my extensions so you can see what I'm talking about. So the first one you can try is AMZ or AMZ Suggestion Expander, and you can also try the huge Amazon Search Suggestion Expander. Okay, so let's just have a look at the huge Amazon Search Suggestion Expander. I'll show you that one first. Alright, so if you just type in, so right now Easter is quite a hot thing, so maybe you're doing an Easter coloring book. Let's see, so the Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, they've got the Amazon suggestions on the top line, they've got suggestions of keywords before Easter coloring book, okay, and then they've got additional suggestions, and there's so many, so you can take your pick. So that's the huge suggestion expander. And then if we take a look at the other one, which is one I use regularly, so AMZ suggestion expander, I'll turn this off and then refresh this, hopefully it'll work, and I'm going to type in the same thing, Easter coloring book, and let's see. So this one will be all, so this is the AMZ or AMZ suggestion expander. Everything on the left over here is what you'll get from the Amazon search bar. Everything else before or after will be from the AMZ Suggestion Expander Chrome extension. Okay, so just a quick video. I'm going to do another couple of, well, 1 or maybe 2 videos on more ways on finding keywords, and including where you can get some data. So I think data is quite important. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I shall see you next time. Have a great day, everyone.